Hey everyone, what's up? Today, I've got something really cool to show you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to run scripts in Roblox using Delta Executor. And the best part is, you don't need any keys, license codes, or weird setups. It's completely free, super simple, and works on both iOS and Android devices. Now, I know a lot of you have been asking how to get scripts working without going through all those complicated steps or shady sites, and this method makes it easy. As you can see on my iPhone, I've already got Delta Executor installed and running. I've tested it on a bunch of games and it works great. For example, in Grow a Garden, I can run powerful scripts like Auto Farm, Egg Spawner, Speed Boosts, and a bunch more. It basically lets you automate everything and adds all these extra features that make the game way more fun. And honestly, way easier too. What's awesome is that the whole process only takes a few minutes. You don't need a PC, you don't need jailbreak, and you don't need to mess with any sketchy files. Just follow along with the steps in this video, and you'll have it set up in no time. So grab your phone, get comfortable, and follow every step carefully. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Delta Executor and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.